like ice cream, especially in the summertime when it's hot? I know I do. I'm Jessica Stortz with Stortz Wellness Associates, and I'm here to tell you about a healthier alternative that you can make right at your home. I was looking in our freezer and we had these Snickers and Oreo ice creams, and they had this one has 130 calories in a half a cup, and this one has 150 calories in a half a cup. So I wanted to see what could I make that was about that many calories. And so I mixed some things together and I made this delicious dessert that has 135 calories in it, and you actually have one full cup to eat. Stay tuned to see how to make it.